What is software? Son or daughter, please, this is touchable part, means hardware part. It is not touchable part, non-touchable, untouchable part. It is software. Simple.
Okay.
Understood or not? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So Windows is a software. Is it touchable or not touchable?
Not touchable.
It is software. Your WhatsApp, your browser, your Skype. Sir, my WhatsApp is touchable. No, no, no. It is your mobile touch screen is touchable. So that is hardware part. Understood
Okay.
or not? So
Yeah.
software means non-touchable. The part of a computer that is not touchable. In simple language. In technical language, software means it is a complete set of instructions and functions is known as software. Understood or not?
Yeah.
What is software? Software is a set
Okay.
of instruction and functions which solve any specific problem. It's called software. Understood or not? Three categories are there. Three types of softwares are there. First one is system software. What is first one is system software. First one is system software. One. Second one is application software. Application software. And third one is utility software. Utility software. Okay. If any type of doubt you have, then you can ask me 1,000 times. No worry. No problem at all. Okay.
What is utility software then?
Yeah.
What is utility software?
Yeah. Yeah. I will explain.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
sorry.
First one is system software. Just like your soul. हमारे अंदर आत्मा होती है, सोल होती है. यदि वो निकल जाए तो क्या बचता है? बॉडी एक लाश बन जाती है. Okay, so this is the system software. If it which fulfill the system's requirement is known as system software. Just like example is like operating system, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Okay, we will work with Mac. Okay, in starting we will use Windows. After that, after some time we will use a Mac OS. Okay, so Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, Sun Solaris. It's also an operating system. Do you know Sun Solaris, Ayansh? Okay, Sun Solaris is also an operating system. DOS, disk operating system, is also software. Oh, sorry for that. Oh, sorry. Oh, what? Okay, no problem. Okay, which fulfill the system's requirement is called system software, just like operating system. Without operating system, if your system not contains any one system software, operating system, just like Windows, Linux, Unix, Sun Solaris, etc., at least one operating system must have in your system. Okay, na? So this is called system software. Second one is application software, which fulfill the user's requirement, user's need. Which fulfill the user's requirement is called application software. Just like Ayans, please tell me.
Skype.
Skype, yes, this is the application software. Just like if you want to leave from your school or college, then to the principal, sir, I beg to say that suffering from fever since last night, so I'm unable to attend classes tomorrow, etc. This is application, right? Na, this is application. You have to write application, and it's provide your functionality or facility to make leave. Understood? Just like that, application software means it is users which fulfill the users requirement. Just Skype, MS Office, Paintbrush, Notepad, WordPad, calculator, Photoshop, Tally. These all are application software. Understood or not? Third one is what? Utility software. What is the meaning of utility software? Which fulfill the system's requirement is called system software. Which fulfill the user's requirement is called user's application software. But utility software is used to provide maintenance. Systems